Welcome to AI Careerco, where we strive to make it easier for people to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in their career path in the field of artificial intelligence. Our vision is to empower individuals to reach their full potential and achieve their career goals. Where we believe that emotional intelligence is a crucial skill for success in any career. Whether you're in tech, business, healthcare, or any other field, emotional intelligence can give you the edge you need to excel. Today's lesson is all about the importance of emotional intelligence and how it can help you succeed in any field. Join us on this journey as we explore the many benefits of emotional intelligence and unlock your true potential. Let's get started. I want to talk to you about a topic that is vital for our personal and professional success: emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage our emotions, and it is a crucial component for achieving success in our lives. One of the key components of emotional intelligence is self-regulation. Self-regulation is the ability to manage and control our emotions, rather than allowing them to control our behavior. When we have strong self-regulation skills, we can navigate challenging situations and maintain emotional balance in both personal and professional settings. But how do we develop these skills? Well, one effective technique for managing stress and negative emotions is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment and being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. By practicing mindfulness, we can become more aware of our emotions and gain control over them. Another technique for managing negative emotions is cognitive reframing. This is when we change the way we think about a situation in order to change our emotional response to it. For example, instead of focusing on the negative aspects of a situation, we can focus on the positive aspects or look for the opportunity to learn something new. But self-regulation is not just about dealing with negative emotions, it's also about maintaining emotional balance. This can be achieved through regular self-care practices, such as exercise, meditation, and getting enough sleep. These activities can help regulate our emotions and improve our overall well-being. Another key component of emotional intelligence is motivation. Motivation is the ability to use our emotions to achieve our goals. It is the driving force that propels us forward and helps us take action towards achieving our aspirations. Understanding our own motivations and aligning them with our goals is essential for success in both personal and professional settings. To set effective goals, we must start by identifying our values and what is truly important to us. Once we have a clear understanding of our values, we can begin to set specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals. These are well-defined objectives that are easy to track and measure progress against. Creating a vision for the future is also an important aspect of motivation. A clear vision of the future provides direction and helps us stay focused on our goals. It can be helpful to create a visual representation of our vision, such as a mind map or a vision board, to help us stay motivated and focused on our goals. Maintaining motivation over time can be challenging, but there are several strategies that can help. One of the most effective strategies is to break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes it easier to focus on the next step and to see progress along the way. Setting small, incremental goals can also help to build momentum and keep motivation high. Another effective strategy is to surround ourselves with a supportive network of people who will encourage and motivate us. This can include friends, family, and colleagues who are working towards similar goals. Additionally, it can be helpful to reward ourselves for achieving small milestones and to celebrate our successes along the way. In conclusion, motivation is a critical component of emotional intelligence that plays a crucial role in achieving success in personal and professional settings. Setting effective goals, creating a vision for the future, and maintaining motivation over time are all important steps in developing and improving our emotional intelligence. By understanding our own motivations, aligning them with our goals, and using effective strategies to stay motivated, we can achieve greater success in our personal and professional lives.
Thanks for watching our career development video. We hope you found it informative and valuable. If you're looking to advance in your career, we have great news for you. AI Careerco offers a variety of services to help you achieve your goals. In our career development website, we have the tools you need to succeed. You can find it in the description. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video and will always be up to date on the latest tips and tricks to help you succeed. And don't forget to check out our career development website, where you can find resources, courses, and more to help you achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your career journey. See you next time.